Hello everyone, I'm Muskan Khandelwal and you are watching Indian Masterminds, the platform that brings you the untold stories of India's real change makers. Today, we bring you the story of an officer who blends technology, urban planning and governance, the man now steering Delhi's powerful administrative machinery. This is the story of IAS officer Rajiv Verma, Delhi's new Chief Secretary. On October 1, 2025, senior IAS officer Rajiv Verma formally took charge as the Chief Secretary of Delhi, one of the most demanding bureaucratic positions in the country. Appointed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, the 1992 batch Agmat Cadre officer succeeded IAS officer Dharmendra, who retired at the end of September. For Rajiv Verma, this appointment marks both the culmination of over 3 decades in public service and a return to familiar administrative terrain. With deep experience in Delhi, the centre and union territories, he steps in at a time when the national capital faces rising expectations around infrastructure, urban management and governance. A native of Uttar Pradesh, Rajiv Verma brings with him an unusually diverse academic background. He holds a bachelor's degree in architecture from MANIT, a master's in urban design from the Delhi School of Planning and Architecture, an MTech from IIT, and a postgraduate qualification in economics. This rare combination of architecture, urban planning, engineering, and economics gives him a multidimensional perspective, especially vital for a complex metropolis like Delhi, where infrastructure, finance, and governance intersect every single day. Rajiv Verma joined the IAS in 1992 and was allotted the Agmat Cadre, known for its challenging and diverse postings. Over the next 3 decades, he served across Delhi, Goa, and the National Capital Region, steadily building experience in district administration, transport, finance, and urban governance. These early years laid the foundation for a career that would later span both state-level governance and senior policy making at the centre. Long before becoming Delhi's top bureaucrat, Rajiv Verma had already left a strong imprint on the city's administration. Between 2018 and 2022, he served as Principal Secretary and Commissioner, Finance and Revenue in the Delhi government, a crucial role during a politically and fiscally sensitive period. Earlier, from 2017 to 18, he was Principal Commissioner for Housing and Urban Affairs at the DDA, where his background in urban design translated directly into policy and planning. He also served as CMD of the Delhi Transport Corporation between 2012 and 13 and held key position in the transport and revenue departments. Senior officials describe him as an officer who strictly follows rules yet understands ground realities, a balance essential for governance in the capital. Rajiv Verma's experience extends well beyond Delhi. From 2013 to 17, he served as Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Defence, working closely on policy formulation and inter-service coordination. He also served in the Power Ministry and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, giving him wide exposure to critical national sectors. This blend of central and state experience gives him a strong grasp of both policy design and on-ground execution. In recent years, Rajiv Verma led administration in union territories. He served as Chief Secretary of Puducherry and later as Chief Secretary of Chandigarh. From 2022 to 25, he was advisor to the Administrator of Chandigarh. These roles demanded political sensitivity, administrative precision, and close coordination with the centre, further cementing his reputation as a steady and dependable officer. As Chief Secretary, Rajiv Verma now heads Delhi's entire administrative machinery. His responsibilities include infrastructure development, traffic and transport management, urban planning and fiscal administration, environmental initiatives including Yamuna rejuvenation. He is also expected to play a key role in implementing major policies of the new BJP government in Delhi while managing the complex relationship between the elected government and the Lieutenant Governance Office. Within bureaucratic circles, Rajiv Verma is known as a calm, methodical and balanced administrator. Fluent in Hindi and English, he combines rule-based governance with a practical approach to implementation. Having already taken charge as Delhi's Chief Secretary, he now stands at the helm of one of India's most challenging administrative assignments, tasked with guiding the capital through its next phase of transformation. This was the story of IAS officer Rajiv Verma. Thank you for watching Indian Masterminds. If you found this story insightful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories of India's real change makers. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.